How to bypass character AI filter. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can bypass character AI filter. So character AI is a chat platform that uses AI to produce realistic and engaging conversation. You can communicate with virtual characters modeled on celebrity, videos, game characters, and other sources. You can also develop and train your own AI character with unique personality traits, interest, and communication style. This makes it a great platform for everyone who wants to have a immersive or personalized chat experience. However, character AI also have an NSFW filter that prevents your character from saying anything that might be considered offensive, inappropriate, or harmful. This filter is designed to keep the chat safe and respectful for all the users. However, some users might want to bypass this filter and have more freedom and flexibility in their chats. So in order to bypass that, just click on accept and then choose the character of your choice and start talking to them. And in order to bypass the character AI filter, all you have to keep in mind is that you should not go against the terms and services of character AI. If you do that, you may be banned from the platform if you try to do anything that are against the platform. So you can create a private bot and add the greetings with words. This will let the chat box know that the user want an explicit or sensitive chat, and it will open the door for you to have an open chat. Try to use very subtle language. Don't go overboard and don't say words upfront. You can just use very generic terms. Start conversation with a generic topic. Once the chatbot understand your generic intent, you can gradually introduce more explicit terms and phrases. You can also add extra spaces or use additional characters between your words. The character AI module is trained to identify NSW words based on their spellings. By adding extra spaces, the model will not be able to recognize the word and it will not filter them out. The one thing that you also keep in mind that the filter analyze image, videos, text using a combination of algorithm and machine learning technology to determine if they contain such content which are against the policies of the character AI. So yeah, this is how you can bypass the character AI filter. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.